Hello, welcome to Afatronics-tv. My name is Bismarck Donko and you can call me engineer. Today we want to look at transistors. So let's first ask a question. What is a transistor? Well, a transistor controls the flow of current. So when you look here, you can see some transistors here. So if I want to define a transistor, I can say, okay, a transistor is an electronic device used to amplify signals or switch electronic circuits on and off. So if you look here, these are transistors. Now these transistors can be used to amplify signals. It can also be used to control circuit on and off. So in other words, it can also act as a switch. So if you look at the type of transistors we have here, you can see we have BJTs, that's bipolar junction transistors, field effect transistor. So under BJTs we have NPN and also PNP. Now under FET we have junction FET, and then we also have MOSFET. So for MOSFET, the full name is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So for short we say MOSFET. Now under junction FET, which usually also refers to as JFET, we have N type and then P type. And for MOSFET we have the depletion mode and then the enhancement mode. So we have the N channel, P channel, and for this one we have P channel and then N channel. So let's look at the terminals of a BJT. So for a BJT we have the base, the collector, and then the emitter. So how do you determine if the transistor that you see here is a P type or N type? So usually we look at the arrow here. So the arrow here determines the flow of current. So if you look at this particular type, is PNP, meaning that the current flows from emitter to the base, whilst with the NPN it flows from the base to the emitter. So if you have the transistor here, with the help of your multimeter you just set it to continuity, then you measure. So between the base and then the emitter, when you set it to continuity and then it flows from emitter to the base, it means this is what PNP. If it also flows from the base to the emitter, it means this is what an NPN.